Let's do no. Come on, let's actually like do something that we can win with. How about we do the no die challenge again? Or what? What you cut out for that? What'd you say? Dude, your mic cut out. What's the complete opposite? What? Oh, okay, fine. Yeah, burst assault rifle and snipers. Okay, no, yeah, the 7-round pistol. And we can use a Kar 98. Kar 98 burst and the 7-round pistol. Okay, that's fair. That's like the opposite, yeah. Let's go. Vanny. Look, I mean, the burst is pretty easy to find, though. We should be okay. Alright, another easy win. And this time we have teammates, though, so maybe they'll kill a few people. How many kills did I think I had 9 last game. You top that. What's your highest kill? 11? That's not bad. My best was 19. That was in a squads game, though. Yeah, dude, I suck at solo. I always think there's somebody there that res me. Turns out I don't have teammates. Oh, and how about another rule? You can only use level 2 stuff. It's like level 2 backpack. Okay, so far I have a level 2 helmet, level 2 backpack. No level 1 or level 3. No shotgun, just like... Yeah, that's good. Okay, I found the gun. Stupid 3-round burst thing. And I found the pistol. I mean, pretty much the only thing I'll use the pistol for is just killing somebody after I knock them. I think I heard... Where were those footsteps? Oh, teammate's already died. By the way, I think there's one other person here. Do you not have a gun yet? Oh my god. See. Found the 7-round boy. Oh, okay, I got my armor, helmet, and backpack. All level 2. You cheated! Can't come back to where you were. Check the search. We still gotta find you this gun. I mean, found a scar. It's not like I can use it though. Oh, dude, you wanna know what I just found here? Found an SKS just sitting here. Ow! Help! Gun sucks. I mean, okay. Okay, wait, don't engage it. Okay, well, I'm coming then. I don't know, that sounded like a lot of rounds for a bot. Killed somebody else. Oh, is he the one shooting you? Well, dude, this gun actually sucks though, this burst. See what you got. Dude, you keep cutting out for some reason. Oh, you only have the pistol? Dude, we really gotta find you. Oh my god. You need some ACP? Hey, you're good. A crowbar, nice. I could really use a better scope. Just have a hollow right now. I thought this gun was really easy to find, I guess not. Yeah, right, like when you're looking for like a scar or something, end up finding this. I think you looted these houses. It's already easy game. What do I need? I mean, maybe if I get suppressor on it, it might not be that bad. Yeah. Like, I've never used it with a suppressor. Honestly, I don't think I've ever used that at all. I only use it, like, until I find an actual AR. Besides that, there's no point. Frig, I just accidentally picked up a shotgun. That boy back down. Carrying around the sniper suppressor in hopes that I'll find a car. What are you doing, dude? No, this guy. Yeah, hopefully he has your gun. Yeah, dude, he just like walked towards me. Yep, completely. I mean, he has a cool shirt, I'll take that. Wait, what is it? Oh, yeah, the dead teammates in the way, yeah. They're not even circle, though. Also, the problem is that at endgame, when people have like level 3 armor and stuff, I'm pretty sure this thing won't even like 3 bursts. It's gonna take like, probably like 4 or 5 rounds. No, we can only have level 2 stuff. Our dead teammates are in the way, I can't- oh, there he is. Oh, I stole it. I honestly didn't even mean to steal it, but it happened. Ooh, dude. M416. I know. But okay, but I'm using an M16A1. It's like the same thing. Okay, fine. I guess we just have to leave it here. Looky though, you still really need a burst. Dude, listen, it's not my fault, man. I thought you were in danger. Look how much damage he did to you. Listen, man, I don't know. That gun that he had, that does high damage. Just shot you. he could have not missed. We're just kind of walking, I don't know. I mean, we're going towards Raw Hawk, so that's okay. Probably should have picked up that car, but it's behind us now. I think we were distracted by that bot. Like, there's only 44 people left now. And we still have a teammate, so that's cool. I'm gonna go check these buildings over here. Maybe they'll have your burst. I mean, probably not, but there's always a chance. I just want a car 98, man. If I get that, I can actually maybe win the game. But until then, I'm probably don't have a good shot. I might have been at you then, because I didn't hear it. Level 2 armor here. In the house. Oh, dude, there's one here for you. There's a burst in this house. You grab the armor? Yeah, it's right in here. Easy clap. I found it 4 times, so I should be okay in a fight. Do you need any 5.56? Here, wait, take some. I have 200 rounds. Just going towards the Ross Hawk. Do you have a good sight, or do you just have like a hollow or something? Yeah, let's not take the bridge. It's only like 20 feet long, but who cares? You gotta swim. Jump. Come on, dude, let's go. No, get off the bridge, you gotta swim. Hey, you just said let's swim. I don't think I can get out of here. Help. Oh wait, no, I'm good. Dude, look, my way was quicker.